Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles. Extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Thursday, May the 2nd, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Why not all? Well, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles in this afternoon. So yeah, too much. More than 7 will be difficult. Alright, the first one, the 3 star Sudoku, number 8469. 8469. Well, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, disappointing, publisher, because this one has 31 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be a 0 stars. Well, for 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. It's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, question is this a 3 stars puzzle or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me start with, there's a lot of 8s here. Let me start with 8. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between, no need to place level 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two place level 8 should be here. Or there we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only two place level 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Then, let me see, which number? Which number? How about, we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so third row, the only place level 6, should be there. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places level 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 4, a should be there. And we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places level 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above from that row, only two places level 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only two places level 3 should be here. Or there we have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Then 1. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. Well, no. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 1 here. About the 9. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so in that row, Only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 3 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in that column, no 6 there. So the only place level 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digital 3, number 6. Alright. 4, 4. 4, 4. 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And we have a pair again, the 2 and a 5 in this row, the 2 and a 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for the I believe the 9, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then, need a 7 here. Well. 9 and a 7, 9 and a 7, 9 and a 7 here. 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5 and a 7. Alright, and now 7, 7, 9, 4, 5, and 4, 5, and 2. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row, the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, and look, we have 2 and a 5 in this column, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between the only place left 4 is should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this one, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 and the 2. Well, 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. That means we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. And that box should be a 2 in the middle row. Okay, 1 box left now in this big square for numbers. For the number, the 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, no 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 9. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left of the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left of 2 should be there. 1 and the 2. We have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the mark. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 1 and the 7 in this column. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, told you. Cannot be a 3 stars, not a 2 stars, not a 1 star. Should be a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.